Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the audio track or how you can change the language of a video that you are watching on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, we're going to open our YouTube app, and then from here, there's just one simple reminder that I want you to take note of. This audio track replacement or like watching a video on a different language doesn't always apply in all videos. You might only see this on videos that are most popular or for creators who actually offer them. Let's take Mr. Beast for example. I'm just going to search for his channel, as you can see right here. Now from here, I'm just going to choose one of the videos that he has. So for example, just this one. And now from here, you are going to see this gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then you're just going to tap on that. Now from here, you're just going to scroll down until you see this audio track section. What you're going to do is you're going to click on it, and then you can see all of the available audio tracks right here. So the original video is in English. As you can see here, it is in English, which is the original version. Now we can just scroll down, and for example, I want to set this into Japanese. Now we're going to click on that, and when we play this, Mr. Beast is going to start speaking in Japanese. And that is how you can change the audio track of a YouTube video.